In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mixpanel support. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official support page, file a ticket the right way, and where to look for documentation and API references. I'll also show you how to get in touch with sales if your question is about plans or purchasing. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Mixpanel support. Using Google is a simple way to make sure you land on the latest official contact page, especially if bookmarks are outdated or you're on a new device. On the results page, look for the link titled Contact Support in Mobile and Web User Analytics and click it. This takes you to Mixpanel's support hub. From here, choose to open a support ticket, then click the File Ticket button. This brings up the form you'll use to contact the team. Some resources on the page are public, but filing a ticket requires an account. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Mixpanel account. Use the account associated with your workspace so the team can see the correct project context. Once you're in, you'll see the ticket form. Start by selecting the request type from the drop-down. Pick the category that best matches your issue. Choosing accurately helps route your request to the right specialists and speeds up responses. Next, add a clear, concise subject that summarizes the problem. In the description area, include helpful details like what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any error messages. Mention the affected project or report, the approximate time it occurred, and the steps to reproduce the issue. If you have screenshots, logs, or a short screen recording, you can attach them. Attachments are optional, but they often make troubleshooting much faster. When everything looks good, click Send to submit your ticket. You should receive confirmation and can monitor replies from your inbox or the support portal. While you're on the support page, you'll also find links to help and documentation. This is a great place to quickly check setup guides, product concepts, and how-to articles. If you're building or debugging an integration, the API references and related technical resources can be especially useful. If your question is about pricing, plans, or buying, click Contact Sales. Fill in the short form with your basic details and any context about your use case, then submit. A representative will follow up to help you evaluate options. That's it. Search, open the support page, file a ticket with clear details, explore docs and API references, and contact sales if needed.